Isang kinakatakutang undefeated na Mexican warrior ang dumayo sa Pilipinas. Subalit tila ba hindi pa ito handa para sa bagsik ng ating kampyon na kababayan. September 22, 2024 ay nung dumayo ang pinakadelikadong fighter ng Mexico na si Luis Castillo sa bansang Pilipinas. Ito ay para agawin ang WBC World Minimum Belt na nasa pangangalaga naman ng ating kababayan na si Melvin Jerusalem. Isang malaking hamon ito para sa ating kababayan na si Melvin Jerusalem sapagkat ang Mexican fighter na si Luis Castillo ay isang undefeated at may mataas na knockout power. Ito ay may kartadang 21 wins, 14 via knockout at wala pa ni isang palo. Bukod sa nakakatakot na ring record nito, ay labis na nakalalamang din ito sa reach at height advantage. Ito ay may taas na 167 cm at reach advantage na 168 cm. Samantalang ang ating bambato naman ni si Melvin Jerusalem ay mayroon lamang taas na 157 cm at reach na 157 cm. Kaya naman bagamat hawak ng kababayan natin ang titulo, ay tila ba nagmistulang underdog ito sa laban na ito. Ang laban ay ginanap sa bayan ng Mandaluyong sa bansang Pilipinas at sa pagdayo ng Mexican fighter ay bitbit nito ang tiwala na madali lamang nitong maaagaw ang titulo mula sa ating kababayan. Pero bago tayo mag-umpisa, kung ngayon ka lang napadaan sa ating channel, ay huwag kalilimutan mag-subscribe upang updated ka sa mga latest trends sa mga Pinoy boxer. Sa pagsapit ng mismo laban, ay unang round pa lamang, ay tila ba naramdam kagad ang intensyon ng Pinoy.
It's for the minimum wage. He's sharp and he's quick. Manolo Fortich, Manny made it happen. Habang masyado.
Sa mga unang palitan ay kalmado lamang ang Mexican fighter na si Castillo at sinusubukan nitong basahin ang galaw ng ating kababayan.
Needs to take advantage of that long reach. Sweeping, not finding the mark. Sak niya ng isang suntok. Baka bigla siyang i-counter ni... Nice counter, moving around. It's almost like a measuring stick. Oh, that's a knockdown. That's a knockdown. Jerusalem scoring a knockdown in the first round. A shot, right hand. Straight out of nowhere.
Subalit, bago pa man ito makapwesto ay isang malinis na kanan ang dumapo sa ulo ng Mexican fighter. Agad itong bumagsak at binilangan ng referee. Subalit, batid ni Melvin na hindi iyon ang sundok na tatapos sa laban. Kaya naman, matapos malampasan ng Meksikano ang mga bilang ng referee, ay agad na nagpakawala si Melvin na mga reserbang arsenal nito. Muli pang tumanggap ng mga ilang malalakas na atake ang Meksikano. Subalit, veterano at matalino ang Meksikano. Kaya naman, ginamitan nito ng clinch ang Pinoy upang iligtas ang kanyang sarili mula sa mga malalakas na atake ng Pinoy. At maya-maya pa ay biglang tumunog ang bell. Patuloy naman ang sigawan ng mga manonood sa paligid ng ring.
He's taken down. That's a slip. And the bell has come to the rescue of Castillo. He's on rubbery legs. He's not walking straight, going back to his corner. He's in Queer Street, glassy-eyed. Wow, what an explosion! Biglang pumutok si Melvin Jerusalem. A right hand, straight right hand, bagsak po si Castillo.
Pagsapit ng round 2 ay dito mo talaga kabibiliban ng mga Mexican fighter. Pilit na bumabawi si Castillo, mas naging agresibo at handa nang makipagsabayan. Pila ba nagmistulang gasolina ang pagbagsak nito nung unang round, kung saan mas naglagablab ang galit nito.
For Jerusalem, hindi siya nagmamadali dito. Trying to recover, but I think Jerusalem is letting his right hand there connected. Not much force behind that shot by Jerusalem.
Pagpasok ng round 3 ay kontrolado na ng Pinoy ang distansya. Kada pasok ni Castillo ay may katapat na counter mula kay Melvin. Subalit may mga ilang suntok din na tumatama ang Meksikano.
Is he going to lead off with the right hand over Jerusalem? And Jerusalem's corner. Jerusalem also in his corner along with Nobuyuki Matsuura, his Japanese manager, along. Patiently looking for an opening, but he's more aggressive. Now he's gotten the respect of Castillo. Left hand connected by Jerusalem. Castillo's making some, just looking for the opening, looking to counter. But Jerusalem just moving away. There's another right hand coming from Jerusalem. Left hand coming from Jerusalem. High. Shot. Clean fight. Watch it here. By Jerusalem. Is Luis down in the first round. From a single right hand coming from Jerusalem. We're in round number 3. And that's about to end.
Pagsapit ng round 4 ay tila ba nagpa siya ng Meksikano na sumugal. Madalas na itong magbato ng mga hook at nakakakuha ng mga magagandang opening. Sa puntong ito ay sandaling uminit ang laban. Subalit hindi naman dito nagpapadala ang Pinoy. Gumagalaw ito sa labas at pinuputol ang anggulo at saka sumasagot din ng mga kombinasyon.
I think it's important for Jerusalem para hindi na Jerusalem has to force so that he's always Castillo now throwing some punches, but he's not reaching Jerusalem. Percentage. Just one shot though. Let's see those combinations. Jerusalem. All about timing. For Castillo to lunge. Castillo starting to connect. That time connecting with the left hand. Not off the head back. Door open here for Castillo to come back. Left hand. Now beginning to connect. Also showing and connecting from a distance.
Hey, no punch.
To come closer. Castillo's beginning to dig. Long distance punch shooting. Castillo seems to be gaining it. He's throwing. He's just standing in front of Castillo. That time wasn't able to get. Malayo masyado si Castillo. Move side to side to be able to create angular shots. If he's standing straight up, facing Castillo will be an easy target.
Sa ika-5 at ika-6 round, ito na ang tinatawag na unti-unting pagdurog. Tila ba nagmimistulang martilyo ang mga jab ng Pinoy. Subalit hindi may tatanggi na buo ang loob ng mga Mexican warrior pagdating sa pakikipaglaban.
We'll have to give that round to Castillo. Took the first 3 rounds fight of this. Left hand connecting Castillo. His work rate has improved.
Stop. Okay, go ahead.
A clash of heads. Jerusalem has to go back to his combinations. By Jerusalem. Step right hand to the midsection of Castillo. Aggressiveness. Missing the time with the right hand. Castillo's defense has improved. Hindi na siya masyadong tinatamaan ni Jerusalem. Jerusalem scoring now Castillo's right in front of. That should be the preference of Jerusalem. Hindi masyadong malayo si Castillo. Kaya niyang, and he's not gonna be missing. In combination, one shot. Gotta be followed up. Big shot, the right hand coming from him. We're in round number 6 of the 4. We're in movement being shown by Jerusalem. And it's an extra effort by he has to lunge at his opponent. From the crowd. Clubbing right hand coming from Jerusalem. Castillo. He's really not able to dictate with that right jacks that right hand, but he's not hitting anything. There's a combination. Forces Castillo to fight defensively and he because Jerusalem will be all over him, whelm him, and swarm all over him. That movement by Jerusalem. And earlier, nasabi natin na kailangan siya magkaroon ng movement, and that's a big adjustment on his part. He's not showing a lot of foot movement. Michael Domingo must have spotted that he was fighting Castillo flat-footed, and it won't get him too much mileage if he does it that way. But with a lot of movement, he'll be able to create opportunities and openings. Forced to engage from close quarters. Castillo getting a little desperate here in trying to slug his way into the defense of Jerusalem.
Pagsapit ng round 7 ay tila ba pumapabor sa Meksikano ang sitwasyon. Dalawang solidong suntok ang tumama sa Pinoy at nagdulot naman ito ng pag-ingay ng mga malunod sa paligid. Subalit, sumasagot agad ang Pinoy. Mas malinaw, mas may husay na tila ba sinasabi nito na hindi pa oras.
Only 3 setbacks in Jerusalem's record. Looks like he's going for broke. He's no longer looking to engage. He's coming straight at Jerusalem. That's a very dangerous proposition. Well, for Castillo, because he opens himself up to Jerusalem's slugging. Ito, pumapasok si Castillo ngayon. Desperate measures. He's going for broke. He knows he's behind on points. He's coming forward. Naging adjustment ito. Jerusalem landed that right hand once more. He'll have a lot of opportunities to land because nasa harap na niya si Castillo. Jerusalem needs to put some more power behind that right hand of his. Put some body weight behind it. Tumatama yung kanyang kanan pero walang masyadong power. Now that packed some power. That's what he needs. And that got the attention of Castillo.
Break! Break! No punch, no punch, no punch.
Castillo still going toe-to-toe with Jerusalem. Jerusalem now going side to side. That's a slick portion on the canvas. Running right hand, the overhand, coming from Melvin Jerusalem.
Break! Break! No punch, no punch. Break!
Left hand connected by Castillo.
Break! Break! No punch, no punch.
Jerusalem has to to be careful. Castillo remains a dangerous opponent.
Break!
Castillo with 13 knockouts and 21 wins. Natapos na po ang round number 7.
Break!
Pagsapit ng round 8 at round 9 ay dito na pinakita ng Pinoy ang dahilan kung bakit nito hawak ang titulo bilang isang kampiyon sa dibisyon na ito. Isang mahusay na disiplina at bangis, mga body shots na nagdudulot ng pagbagal ng kalaban, mga straight punches para sa siguradong puntos, samantalang patuloy naman itong sinasabayan ng Meksikano. Subalit halatang nauubusan na ito ng bala.
In the corner. Round number 8 now, underway. But in the offensive style, the Castillo in round number 7 with this kind of strategy. Says that is to knock out Jerusalem. He's badly behind on points. Now this is the 8th round. After going to be hearing the scorecards of the 3 judges, there will be a public announcement, the running totals. Throw a little more power. At that time, left hand. Jerusalem is trying to get his second win. A lot of rounds left here, especially if you go all the way to round number 12. Here we go. Castillo continuing to come forward. Headshots here by Melvin. Not too much power behind those shots. I don't think they're hurting each other. Been a grueling affair. Time scored by Jerusalem in round number 1.
Break!
Hindi na nasundan. Could be a war of attrition.
Stop! No punch! Okay.
Chinese referee Fukuji saying none of that. Here's a right hand scored by Jerusalem. There's another right hand. It's got to be in combination. Look at Melvin Jerusalem looking like a Muhammad Ali, a mini version. Bounce of his feet, and then he's bringing both his arms down, as if inviting Castillo to come in further. That's the end of round number 8. Grueling split decision march. Circling away is Melvin Jerusalem. Throw his shots. We're in round number coming from Jerusalem, and then the right hand. Classic combination. Yan ang hinahanap natin kay Jerusalem. Any longer. Naubusan ng power dito si Jerusalem. And I can say the same thing about Castillo. As Jerusalem have that sting left to bring down Castillo once more. Right now, it looks like a sparring session. As Jerusalem, it's like he's practicing on the heavy bag, throwing those punches. Doesn't say much about the defense in Castillo kasi siya na bububog. Left hand connected by Castillo. See, those punches are connecting by Jerusalem, but they're not making an impact any longer. Castillo's walking through those punches. Same thing with Jerusalem. In the tank of Jerusalem to pull off a win by knockout. Question for Castillo. Right hand. Scored by, hindi nakikita ni Castillo kung saan nanggagaling yung mga suntok ni Jerusalem, especially with that right hand. And it's target practice for Jerusalem. Up. Left hand connected by Castillo. He's got to be wary.
Break! No punch!
At parang nauubusan na din ng lakas si Castillo. Round number 9, just about to end. And those lunging attacks by Jerusalem.
Pagsapit ng round 10 ay ramdam mong hinahabol na ng Pinoy ang pagtatapos. Mas dikit na ang laban at mas agresibo ang atake. Madalas itong makorner sa mga lubid at matamaan ang mga atake mula sa Meksikano. Subalit nananatili itong nakatayo.
What a wide margin at the end of once Jerusalem nag-change ng tactics. He wants to win it. He was charging in. It was enough stamina. The first of 3 championship rounds, round number 10. Straight by Castillo, then the right jab. Coming around, Melvin Jerusalem.
Stop, break. No punch.
Then the lunging attack. Castillo's not as active, Dix.
Stop, break. No punch.
Weight champion. Become a war of attrition. Nice right hand. That knocked the head back of Castillo. Now, was he hurt? Jerusalem coming straight at Castillo. He's swinging away. He's looking for the home run.
Break. No punch.
There's a lot of time for that big shot to take out Castillo. The second win. A lot of feints being used here by Jerusalem. There he goes again. He doesn't want to punch himself out. This round is about to end. He attacked Castillo once more. Another big round here for Melvin Jerusalem. Punch maybe coming from the left hand. Realizing this is such a grueling grind. Number 7. Nakita natin si Castillo going for broke. This time, I think it's just looking to survive. Shot to the body here by Jerusalem. And he's following it up. Here's Jerusalem. He's on the attack. Jerusalem, as I mentioned in the previous round, he doesn't want to punch himself out. Because if you do, it gives an opportunity for your opponent to come back at the point atake dito. Jerusalem has a commanding lead. He doesn't want to waste that lead by getting careless. One punch after the other. Then the right hand connected by Melvin Jerusalem for good measure. More punches. Scored by Jerusalem. Castillo trying to come back of the head. Clubbing blows. Now they're in close quarters.
Break. Break. No.
Such a historic moment in the history of Philippine boxing. The first World Championship fight on blow by blow. Presented by Manny Pacquiao in partnership with Petron. And you notice that as Castillo's walking towards...
Pagsapit ng huling round ay tila managing parada na lamang ng isang kampyon. Hindi nagpadala ang Pinoy sa emosyon. Tinapos nito ang laban ng maayos, gumagalaw, sumusuntok at umiiwas. Walang duda at walang tanong.
Luis Castillo to open up round number 12. Jerusalem cannot afford to get careless. He has a comfortable lead on points. So far, no response from Jerusalem. Right hand by Jerusalem, but powder puff. Big shot coming from Jerusalem. And it looks like he wants to finish his fight with a flourish. And there he goes with the alley shuffle. Doing a little bit of showmanship here as he switches to the scores with the right hand. Knocking the head back of Castillo. Look at him going side to side. Muhammad Ali in action. Sugar Ray Leonard in action. It's a little bit of Ali, a little bit of Sugar Ray Leonard, but it's all Melvin Jerusalem in dominating fashion. He's just seconds away from retaining his championship with a unanimous decision, without a doubt. Castillo was outfought, outpunched. Castillo tried to adjust his offensive style, wouldn't get it done. Momentarily, we're going to hear a 10-second clapper.
Stop, break. Let's go.
Castillo, or rather Melvin Jerusalem, pardon me. And the crowd now cheering Melvin Jerusalem as this fight is coming to a close. Jerusalem pouring it on, and that's the end of the fight.
Sa pagtatapos ng laban ay malinaw ang sagot. Hindi sapat ang pagiging undefeated lamang kung walang disiplina, tiyaga at talino sa ibabaw ng lona. Mahusay pinakitang laban ng undefeated Mexican fighter na si Luis Castillo. Subalit hindi nito nalampasan ang husay at talino ng isang Pinoy na world champion.